Full supply chain sovereignty, redefining excellence, the world's only integrated 5-plant ecosystem. From raw material synthesis to global delivery, 5 proprietary factories operate seamlessly in ISO-certified clean rooms. Plus or minus 0.011 mm industrial precision, 5x stricter than industry norms. Redefining the micro-aesthetics of every lash, monthly capacity. 500,000 trays, 218 artisans, on-time delivery to 160 countries. Scale, perfection, harmonized. Excellence over speed philosophy, zero assembly line shortcuts. Each artisan crafts is less than or equal to 100 trays daily. Hand-shaping curl, density, and alignment with human mastery. End-to-end vertical control, from fiber extrusion to adhesive bonding, 100% in-house production eliminates third-party risks. Every lash survives 9 checkpoints and dual verification. Diameter tolerance, curl resilience, pharmaceutical-grade recall, EUCE, ISO 9001 certified, safety quantified, trust globalized. The innovation engine behind global beauty brands. 75 hues, 12 thicknesses, 13 curls. Prototype to production in 72 hours. Fueling indie disruptors to Fortune 500 giants. Eco-PPT revolution, heat-resistant. Deformation-proof, 6 to 8 week curl retention. EU rules-compliant, one-stop beauty ecosystem. 100 accessories adhesives, tweezers, removers, developed in-house. Slashing supply chain costs by 30%. Lightning-fast global logistics, from factory to doorstep. 98% orders shipped within 24 hours. Backed by AI-driven warehousing and 160 country delivery networks. Culture-proof delivery excellence. Anti-shock packaging, luxury gift boxing, 12 language manuals. Where made in China meets speed without compromise. We're not replicators, but disruptors of beauty industrialization. Dominating quality through vertical control. Fueling global brands with agile innovation. And proving speed and precision can coexist. Click to see how we deliver beauty. Faster, smarter, bolder.